online video editor in JavaScript using Vue.js. So we have already deployed this application on my website freemediatools/video cutter. I have also given the link in the description of the video. You can access this video editor right here. It's entirely built in Vue.js. It's a single page application. It doesn't have a backend. So you simply select your video file that needs to be edited. Then you actually adjust the sliders, the starting and the ending duration. Then click trim video. As soon as you click this, entirely the processing happens directly in the browser, and this will be your output video. And here you can download this output video like this. This is a complete Vue.js 3 project. If you're interested in purchasing this, I've given the link in the description. After you purchase it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So as you can see, each component is divided into its appropriate file. So it's fully customizable. You can customize each and every line of code and add additional features as well. So we are using the latest version of Vue, and we are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library as well. And if you don't know about this, it allows you to use FFmpeg directly in the browser, as you can see. So I've also deployed this. So before purchasing it, you can actually see the live demo as well. It's an online video editor in JavaScript and Vue.js 3. So we are also running this project locally as well. So it's also very easy for you to deploy this as well. So if I show you, we are using this localhost 5173. So if you still face any sort of problem, I will definitely help you after purchasing the code. You just see here, can I adjust the duration here? Again, you click the trim video button. As soon as you do this, the output will come instantly. This is a single page application, and it it doesn't matter how long your video is. Simply select video, trim out specific parts in the video. It's a complete video editor, built it from scratch. So if you need the source code, the link is given in the description.